Hello my dear students. So here in this video we are going to start the topic addition and subtraction of money. Okay, so already I told you how to do addition and you know it, right? So in this case, in case of money we are going to do. Okay, so it is very much simple. Just you have to see the place value of each number. So you can see some points, right? You can see this example. Okay, so points are there. Okay, so as you know, in case of money, there is rupees and what? Paise. Okay, rupees and paise. So, in case of rupees, we write it here, and in case of paise, we write after point. Okay. So, in example, I'll show you. Suppose I want to add rupees 100.50 paise plus rupees 23.75 paise. Okay, this two number we have to add, this two amount. Okay, so let's write it first. 100 rupees, so you can write 100, then 0.50, that is 50 paise, and here 23 rupees, so it should be 23. Like this way you have to write. Okay, then 0.75, that means 75 paise. Okay, 75 paise. Now let's add it. 0 plus 5 will be 5. Right? 5 plus 7 will be 12. So you have to write 2. Okay. Then carry 1 here. Now 3 plus 1 will be 4. And 2 will remain 2. 2 plus 0 and 1. Right? So the answer for this is rupees 124.25. That means 124 rupees 25 paise. So I think you understood like how we write rupees and paise. Yes. So in this way we have to solve exercise 2.4. You can see your book, page number 33, exercise 2.4, question number 1. Find the total money due in each bill. Find the amount received as change in each case. Okay, so here you can see a number, one table is there. So this is a bill. Okay, and paid. You can see these notes. Okay, only this 4 note. Okay, these 4 notes are paid. Okay, so first of all we have to make the bill. Okay, so let's make it. So what do we have to do? We have to plus them, right, to make the bill. Shirt is for rupees 120.25. Then pant is for rupees 150.75 paise and tie is for rupees 65.50 paise, 50 paise. Okay. So now quickly you have to add it. I'm sure you could find it. So with pencil I have written here 336.50, right? If you do so, you will get this. 5 plus 5 will be 10, carry 1. 7 plus 5 will be 12, 13, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1 here. So 5 plus 1, 6. Then 5 plus 2, 2 plus 5 will be what? 7. 7 plus 6 is your 13, right? So 13, so 3 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. So the total amount is what? Rupees 336.50. Now let's see how much paid. So you see 50 rupees plus 100. So 150, 150 plus 100 again 250 and 250 plus 100 will be 350. So total money paid is rupees 350. Now from that we have to subtract what? 336.50. Okay. So you can do it in your copy as well. Okay. After doing this one. Okay. The rest of the part you can do in your copy. So in this way you can write. Okay. Now we have to subtract it. Okay, so as you know that here no paise, right? So we can simply put 0, 0. No paise. So if we put 0, then also it means nothing. Now let's subtract. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so we have to regroup. That means it will become 10. And from here we take 1. Okay. So this one also 0. So from here we have to take 1. Okay. Now if we take 1 from this 10, this one will become 9. And how it become 10? Because from 5 we have taken 1. Okay. Understood students? How I did this one? From 5 I have taken 1. So now it become 10. And from 10 I take 1. So that's why 10 become 9. Okay, and this one as 1 is added here, so that's why 1 plus 0. Okay, like 1 and 0, not 1 plus 0, 1 and 0. So now it become 10. So 10 minus 5 will be what? 5. then point you have to give. Okay, make sure that you should not mess this. Okay, that means after point there should be only 2 digit. Okay, now 9 plus 6 will be what? From 9 if you subtract 6, then what will be the answer? 3, right? Because from 9 if you subtract 6 you will get 3. Now 4 minus 3 will be 1. And 3 minus 3 will be what? 0. And in the leftmost side, no need to write 0. So the answer you get this one, right? So rupees 13.50. So this much money this much amount will be received as change. Okay, because this much money, 350 rupees was given, paid. And total bill was this much. So this much money will be received, okay, as a change. I think you understood, students, how we have to do it, right? Now B number is also same. You can see your book. So this is B number. So here you see again some costs are given. You have to add them and you have to write it here. And then this one is paid. You can see 100 rupees note and 100 rupees note. That means 200 is paid. Okay, so first of all you have to add them all up here and you have to subtract from what? From 200, because 200 money is paid. So from 200, how much is the total bill? That much you have to subtract, and then you will get that how much amount is received as a change. Now this question is very interesting. Okay, you can see this is a table. So very interesting table. So let's see. Show different ways to make 100. Okay, so that means you have to make 100. Okay, by using different values of notes. You can see 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 10 rupees note and 5 rupees. Okay, use more high value notes to get 100. One is done for you. You see, use 20 rupees and 10 rupees and 5 rupee note. So by using this 3 rupee note, using how many notes of these 3 values, you can get rupees 100. So here you see 4 20 rupees note. Okay, 4 20 rupees note. That means 4 into 2 what? 8, right? So side by side I will write it here. You can see here. So 4 into 20 rupees note, right? So 4 2 ja 8 and 0 will be 0. So that means rupees 80. Now 1 10 rupees note. So it will be rupees 10 only, as it is 1. Then rupees 5 2. That means 5 2 ja what? 10. Right? Now if we add them, we will get 100. So have you seen this? Right? So in this way you see here it is done. So in this way you also have to write the number of notes, how much you are using, and by adding those we will get how much? Rupees 100. Okay. So let's see another one. Suppose we are using this. Use 50 rupees, 20 and 10. Okay. So let's do it. If I use 250 rupees note, then it will be what? Exactly 100, right? But we have to use 20 rupee note and 10 rupees note also. So let's 50 rupees note 1. Okay, so you write 1 here. So 50 is done. Now 20. So if we use 20 rupees note 2, then we'll get 40 rupees, right? 20 plus 20. So 20 plus 20 will be what? 40. Now 50 plus 40 is done. So 50 plus 40 will be what? 90. Then we need only 1 10 rupees note. So in this column we'll write 1. So now it is done. 50 plus 50 plus 40 will be 90 and 90 plus 10 will be 100. Right? So in this way you have to complete all this table. I think you feel interesting. Okay. So try to complete this. Okay. And I will see this. Okay. Like in the online class or whenever I will ask you, you have to click picture of it and then you have to send me. Okay. So do not forget to do it. And students, one more thing I want to tell, like when I was taking online class, so then I find like so many students are not watching the video regularly. Okay. So it's my request to all of you that you should watch the video regularly so that you can be up to date. Okay, because see, now I'm showing 2.4. So if you haven't done 2.3 yet, then how can you do this exercise? How can you do this work? Right? So that is why every time when you watch the video, you just kindly do your work properly on time. Do not use do not misuse your time. Okay, students? Now you see, lastly, question number 3. Calculate the total amount of money one has been done for you. So actually this one is already done in my book, but I'll tell you that how to do this. Total amount of money we have to find out. So you can see some numbers are written. Okay. Suppose you see in this first column 1. That means 1 10 rupees. 1 5 rupees. 1 50 paise. 1 25 paise. So all together you just have to plus them. Okay. Very simple. So the answer for this is 15 rupees 75 paise. Okay. So without looking at my book, now I will tell you this second number. Okay, so let's do it. You can do it in your book also. Okay, already place are there to write, so in that you can write. So I will show you here in this copy. So 150 rupees, so that means 150 rupees note. Now 120, okay, that means 120 rupees, so 20. Then 3 1 rupees, so that means 3, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 3. Okay, 3 rupees. And in paise nothing is there, so just plus them. 3 and 5 plus 2 will be 7. So here you have to write 73. Oh, it's correct. Now let's see the other one. This one, third one. So 50 rupees, no, nothing is there. 20 rupees, yes, 120 rupees. So let's write 20. Now 10, again 110. So that means 10 rupees. 1 5 rupees. So in one's place we have to write 5. Then 1 rupee, alright. Then you see 50 paise, no, but 25 paise, yes, there is 25 paise. So where you will write this, students? You have to write after point. Okay? And if nothing is there, so you can put 1 0. So 0.25. So as you can see here, nothing is there. So directly you can write 25. Then you have to put point. Okay? Then 5 plus 1 will be 6. And 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the answer will be 36.25. Let's see. Yes, this one is also correct. So I think you can do it, students. So don't look at my answer. You just count them and add them. You will get it. This is the last number of your exercise. Question number 4. Follow Mrs. Rai as she goes out shopping. How much money does she have when she get back home? So you see A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to H number. There are some pictures. So Mrs. Rai, she went for shopping. Okay. And how much money she spent? Let's find out. And when she returned back to her home, that how much money she returned with. Okay. So that one we will see. So let's find out. First of all, in the picture A, you see rupees 257 in her purse. Okay, so in her purse, she takes rupees 257 rupees. Spends rupees 52.50. That means when she was taking some vegetables. Okay, so while buying this, she spent rupees 52.50. That means from this money we have to subtract it. Right? So if we do so, this one, question number 4. Okay. So 257 she takes, okay, and spent rupees 52.50. So if we subtract, we will get this. Okay. Now let's see C number. Spends rupees 48.25. Okay. So maybe she is taking some medicine from here. So she spent rupees 48.25. Okay. So from this money, we have to subtract again rupees 48.25. Okay. So as you know how to subtract, from here it will become 10. 10 minus 5 will be 5. Then here we have taken 1, so it becomes 4, right? So 4 minus 2 will be 2. Now 4 minus 8, we cannot do that. So 14 minus 8 will be what? 6. Now this one will become 9, right? As we have taken from here 1. Okay. So, and then from this 1, right? So now it become 9. So 9 minus 4 will be 5. And as we regroup this, so this become 1, right? So 1 will remain same. Next in D number, withdraw rupees 200. That means in bank, she withdraw rupees 200 again. Okay, so withdraw means she gets some money again. So that means this time we have to plus, not minus, because she is not spending. Okay, she withdraw the money. So this one will remain same. 6 plus 0, 5 plus 0 and 1 plus 2 will be 3. So this is the total money now. Now she buys some tickets for rupees 124. So buys ticket, that means she spent, right? So 124 have to subtract. So this is the answer we get. Okay, after subtraction this. Okay. So now again you see F number. So there it is shown that spends rupees 158. Okay, spends again, that means she was buying some fruits, or yeah, it's sweets, I think. Yeah, na? Yes, you can see some sweets. So she bought some sweets of rupees 158. So we have to again subtract. So 158 if we subtract, we'll get this, right? So here we have to regroup. Okay, this one will become 12. Okay, from here we have taken, so this one will become 2. So 12 minus 8 will be 4, and 2 from 5 we cannot do. So from here again have to take out. So it become 12. 12 minus 5 will be 7. And here 1 minus 1 will be 0. So now rupees 74.25. Okay. Then see, returns a book and get back rupees 53. So by returning one book, she get back rupees 53. So get back, that means here we have to do what? We have to do addition, right? So let's add 53. Okay, so if we add this, we will get 5, 2 here, 4 plus 3 will be 7, and 7 plus 5 will be what? 12. So at last you have to write in this blank area, Mrs. Rai has rupees 127.25 paise when she gets home. Okay, I think you understood whole process. Okay, where she spent we have to subtract, and where she withdraws or get back money, there we have to add. Okay, so full procedure I have shown you. So you can also try once, okay, by not looking at my video, but after understanding from this, you try to do it by yourself. Okay, students. So in this way, you just complete this exercise 2.4. Okay, and complete the table of question number 3 also and 2 also. Okay, so in my next video, I'll share this content with you. Till then, you just practice and do complete your work. Okay, thank you.